English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Yes, we learn to lot from senior members like Sri Chitta Basu. Basically, the comments of the members fall in four categories. Many members have talked about Article 356, the reason as to why it was put in the Constitution, the desirability of its being used as sparingly as possible, if possible not at all, and connected with that, some members have referred to the Sarkaria Commission report. I would like to deal with those points at the end, but just now I want to make it clear that at least this government is committed that Article 356, which fall within the emergency power, will be used as sparingly as possible and only when there is no other alternative for the government. Sir, coming to Assam, the first question that has been raised is the timing of this proclamation. Mr. Kabde and other members have asked that when the normal term of the assembly was to end just after a month, why was this proclamation issue? Was there a political motive behind it? Through you, sir, I wish to inform them that the government had to take a decision on other elections are to be held, because if election were to be held, the election process would have to start and the election commission would have to issue notification. For that very little time was left. If notification was not issued at that time, it would be very clear to everybody that election will not be held even if you allow the AGP government to last its full term. That period would have been very crucial as far as the deterioration in the law and order situation was concerned. Once the government made up its mind that elections are not to be held, the logical decision would be to impose president's rule immediately. This fact should be clearly understood because of the peculiar nature of the situation in Assam. If the government had to act in the manner it did, it could not give a advance information about the intention to impose president's rule. That is the reason for timing of the proclamation. Sir, very rightly members have said that Assam is a plural society. The population in Assam is such that it is a multilingual, multi-religious and multi-ethnic society. Sir, the Constitution of India itself gives recognition to the multilingual, multi-religious and multi-ethnic